So my day-to-day life as a tech, I coach, mentor, and assist technicians. We'll have new technicians come on. I work very closely with their training, get their skills up to par. As their careers progress and they're a little more skilled, I go into a little more, quality assurance and follow-up checks. For more advanced diagnostics, I'll be there, to support that tech throughout his job. My name is Jason Hackler. I'm the shop foreman, and we're at the Papé branch out here. My overall experience has been pretty well. It's a great company to work for. Our benefit packages are pretty good. Our hourly pay is very competitive. And we were told that Papé's style was that, there wasn't going to be any expenses spared. And during the acquisition, we saw quite a bit of expenses put into this, starting with our brand new facility. We have brand new facilities. We're starting to get all brand new trucks. Tooling that we've asked for is provided almost instantaneously. We can't do a job without a tool, and management understands that. If I need help, my management team in the office is right behind me, so we can get resources available at pretty short notice. It actually does feel a lot like, family as well. We're visited by, Papé names. We're not just a location that's kind of just forgotten about in the back. We actually get visitors by the, the name of the brand themselves. So that's kind of neat. A lot of times with, certain corporations, you may not see the faces behind all of that, but we do over here. We do have a very tight-knit community style here. So a lot of us are family, we'll go sit down and eat dinner together. We do enjoy some, hang out together after work hours. A lot of us share common interests. I envision myself right here in 10 years, having not gone anywhere else. I've remained loyal here. It's just because of the amount of time that they have put into me. I don't feel okay taking that to another competitor and using that against the same company that brought me to where I am now. If you're interested in it and you do have some ability, try it out. They've given me every opportunity and I've taken every single one. And that's the thing is, when you're given a chance, you can't let it slide. You have to just follow it.